Hello friends, this is Judee Flavors and I'm here with Ella and we're going to make for you French toast. And what do we need? We need we need we need sugar and we need rhubarb and we need egg and we need a pinch of salt and we need baking powder. Yeah, easy. And then we are going to decorate our French toast with cookie cutters. These are cookie cutters, different sizes, different shapes, and we have jingle bells here. Remember, we are in Christmas season. And then, what do you have, Eva? Christmas tree. You have Christmas tree. So I can't wait to eat one. And we have milk. Let's get started. We are going to first decorate our. We're going to start decorating our bed. We're going to use different characters. Okay, we have jingle bells. You know what I started with? A heart. Yes, something cutting, yes, something cutting. I'm using Christmas tree. Christmas tree. And we'll put like this here. And we have Christmas stars. And flowers. And baby star. We're almost done. We're almost done cutting our shapes. Wow. Okay. One egg. Salt. And then we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's put some milk.
よくやった。
Did it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.